Welcome back to Learn Everything. Today we are going to discuss about planets in the solar system. Let's go. We know there are 8 major planets in the solar system. Let's take a dive in them. The 8 planets listed in order from closest to farthest from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets can be categorized into 2 groups, terrestrial planets and gas giants. In these planets, inner planets that are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are rocky planets and have solid surfaces. And that's why they are categorized as terrestrial planets. On the other hand, outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are gas giants. The outer planets are gas giants because they formed far from the Sun, where it was cold enough for ice and gas to gather. These are the major planets in the solar system. Let's discuss more about these planets. Firstly, let me tell you planets move around the Sun in orbits. But wait, do you know what is orbit? Let's see. An orbit is the path a planet takes as it moves around the Sun. And each planet in our solar system follows an elliptical orbit, similar to a flattened circle. They all move in a counterclockwise direction around the Sun. Here, counterclockwise means the direction opposite the movement of hands in a clock. Some orbits are closer to the Sun, some are farther away. This affects how long a planet needs to complete its orbit. In our solar system, Mercury and Venus are closest to the Sun. Their orbits are shorter than Earth's, which means that they have shorter years than our planet. Here they are. And because of the short distance from Sun, Mercury takes 88 days to complete the orbit while Venus takes 225 days. Next, Venus, Earth. On average, it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete its orbit. This is what we call a year. Next are Mars and Jupiter. These are farther from the Sun, allowing them to have longer years than Earth. Mars takes 687 days to complete one orbit and Jupiter takes 4,333 days. Next are Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are even farther out. Their orbits are much larger and take a lot of time to complete. Saturn takes 10,756 days. Uranus takes 30,687 days, and Neptune takes 60,190 days to complete one orbit. But do you know what is the invisible force that keeps these planets in orbit? Yes, Sun plays a very important role in the solar system. The Sun is the center of the solar system, providing the gravity that keeps planets in orbit. It also supplies the light and heat necessary for life on Earth and drives weather and climate. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.